Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Julie, and in today's video we are going to be doing a summer kitchen vignette. This is part of a challenge that is hosted by This and That with Denise Jordan, and she challenges us seasonally to come up with a kitchen vignette, and she comes up with a couple of guidelines that she wants us to follow. The first one was that we had to include florals or greenery. I included both, you'll see in mine, and we had to include some kind of farm animal. She also wanted us to include words, and she wanted the whole thing to have a farmhouse feel. Oh, one other thing she wanted us to do is she wanted it to be a no spend if possible, which you'll see I did spend a little bit. I got 2 things from Goodwill and 1 thing is from the dollar store, but I actually already had it. And the rest of the stuff was just stuff that I've had. So I didn't spend a whole lot, barely anything. I think probably less than $5 actually to do this. So to start my vignette, I'm using this square white cake stand. I've used it before in some of my vignettes. I like how it gives height and it's just plain white. And I just took this plant from the half bathroom. I was getting ready to switch it up anyway, so I decided it would be cute on here. This rooster I got from Goodwill for, I think it was like $1. And another good idea whenever you're decorating a vignette, especially in the kitchen, is to use real fruits and vegetables. So I decided to put some lime to kind of go with the theme of green. And this little white candle holder I actually got as a gift for my mother. And then my husband actually found this next piece from Goodwill. It was these 3 glass jars. They also have lids, but I'm not using them for this. And I just took some lavender that I had in my storage and placed them in there. I really like the basket is like a chicken wire. It's really cute. And I think he got that for $3. And I'm just going to place this next to the cake stand. This little corner of my kitchen is an easy place for me to decorate because it's so far back that I can't really use it for anything else. And this little bless all who gather here sign is from the Dollar Tree. I really hope you guys enjoyed my summer kitchen vignette. Please don't forget to hit the like button. Also, you're going to want to make sure you subscribe if you enjoy decorating, organizing, DIY videos, all being done on a budget. And I encourage you to check out some of my other decorating videos, which I will have linked right here. Thanks again for watching, and see you in the next video.